Hi everyone, welcome to episode 3 of the How to Start Your Printing Business series. Today we will go over heat transfer vinyl and what you need to know before starting your business with this medium. Heat transfer vinyl is an amazing option since it requires a relatively small amount of capital to start. The process of using vinyl is also quite simple. You first choose a vinyl that you'd like to use for your design. Then you take that vinyl over to your vinyl cutter. Something like the Silhouette Cameo 4 is a great option to start with. When you send the design to the Cameo, you will need to mirror it since the vinyl will ultimately be flipped to be transferred over to your shirt. The Cameo then will cut the design into the vinyl just deep enough to cut only the top layer. This is also known as a kiss cut. Once the cutting is complete, you will take a tool similar to this and begin pulling away the excess vinyl that is around your design. This process is called weeding. Once you are done weeding, you are left with just the design on the clear sheet. You will then take the sheet over to the shirt, position the graphic as desired, and then heat press it onto the shirt. Every vinyl is a bit different when it comes to temperature and time settings, so make sure to check with the manufacturer for their recommended settings. For this example, we are using All American's Prisma PU vinyl. For this specific vinyl, we are pressing at 305 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 seconds. Now, the types of designs you are able to print with vinyl vary. You can go from regular standard colors to gold metallic, holographic, reflective, flock, and more. Most of these specialty finishes are virtually impossible to replicate using any other print method. Not to mention that you have options for vinyl that will allow you to not only print on cotton, but also polyester and nylon materials. The other side of this that you need to be aware of is the limitations of the types of designs you can print. Because you are taking vinyl and cutting out shapes to create your print, you are limited to designs that have clear-cut outer edges, and for multicolor designs, have a clear separation between colors. Anything with a gradient will not be possible using heat transfer vinyl. With all that said, let's take a look at the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, heat transfer vinyl can be relatively inexpensive to start. 1 yard of regular Prisma vinyl costs $8. The Silhouette Cameo 4 currently costs $300. For the heat press, you have a couple options. The Hotronix Craft Heat Press will only cost you $310, but you will be limited to a 9 by 12 inch pressable area. For longevity and flexibility purposes, we would recommend, if you can, to move up in size to something like the Stahl's Max Press 11 by 15 inch, which will run you $800. All of that combined, your total investment to start your printing business and print your very first product will be $1,108. Heat transfer vinyl also provides the widest variety of types of finishes for your print and gives you the flexibility to print on polyester and nylon. Now, moving on to the cons. With vinyl, you'll be limited to the types of designs that you can print since you are transferring cut vinyl onto fabric. These designs have to have clear-cut outer edges and clean separations between colors, so anything with gradients are out of the question. Also, with larger quantities, the weeding process can be time-consuming and laborious. Our conclusion is that heat transfer vinyl is a great way to get into the printing business due to its relatively low cost of entry, versatile printing mediums, and vibrant prints. As long as you're aware of the design limitations and amount of time required to print, this process of printing will provide great results. Alright, that's it for this video. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification to be notified whenever we upload a new video. How to Start Your Printing Business series will be back on Monday at 10 a.m. Pacific. Also, if you need more detailed information, please fill out the contact form in the link below to get in touch with our team of experts. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.